How to remove paired Bluetooth devices on Android. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. So first of all, open up settings on your device. Now tap on Bluetooth. Now enable the toggle for Bluetooth. Now select the device you want to remove. Now on this page, tap on unpair. And that's it. You can also remove the paired devices by simply resetting your You can also remove the paired devices by simply resetting your device settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. Tap on System and Updates. Now tap on Backup and Reset. Now tap on Reset Settings. Now enter your password to reset all the settings including your Bluetooth. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.